Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding of the text. And before this, in grade 2, you have learned to read aloud words and simple sentences with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. I hope you remember how to read aloud words with proper, accurate pronunciation. So we are going to learn further to read aloud for accurate reproduction of sounds of letters and words, identify and utilize effective study skills, brainstorming for ideas. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sahih Bukhari 1802, narrated by Hazrat Anas Razila Ta'ala Anhu. Whenever the Prophet ﷺ returned from a journey and observed the walls of Medina, he would make his mount go fast. And if he was on an animal, for example, a horse, he would make it gallop because of his love for Medina. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful hadith is telling us. So do you understand what the hadith is? Whenever our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ is out of city and he is coming back. So beta, previously there used to be a wall around every city. So whenever he looked at that wall, I'm near Medina, he Sallallahu used to make his mount fast so that I quickly reach to my Medina. So to have a love for your homeland is very natural, and it is a beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And beta, our homeland, we did not get it easily. There was a huge, have you heard about the history how Pakistan got separated from India? There was a mob of people, a lot of people, and they migrated from, before this, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, they were together, these three countries, and it was used to call as subcontinent. I have given you detail in your introduction lesson. I hope you remember. So many of Muslims, they migrated, they moved from India to Pakistan. Why? To reach to an Islamic country, because Pakistan is Islamic country. So they here, alhamdulillah, being Muslim, we practice all the Muslim things freely. That's why we got Pakistan. So they moved on foot, in whatever they got, they reached to Pakistan. And you know, on the way, they faced a lot of problems. So our home is very dear to us. And today we are going to read about a hero of our nation. Before we start reading, you tell me, name few people who sacrificed their life for Pakistan, and look at the title and picture and predict what the lesson is about. A brave soldier. Do you know who is he? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, he is none other than Saif Ali Janjua, the hero of this story we are going to read. Listen carefully, because after me you have to read it. Naik Saif Janjua was born in Tehsil Nakial Kotli Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. He was martyred at the age of 25. On 18th March 1941, Saif Janjua worked for the Royal Corps. Wait, over here, this PS is silent. Royal Corps of the British Indian Army as their spy. He also served overseas for 4 years during World War II. When the war ended, he came back with his unit to the subcontinent. He was posted at Jalandhar, Lahore. Jalandhar is the name of a place in Lahore. Saif Janjua was a very good leader and was given a title Naik. So Naik is basically it's a rank in army. So it was given to Saif Ali Janjua. On 27th October 1947, Indian forces landed in Srinagar with a goal to capture the whole Kashmir. So, where did Saif Janjua stationed? And when he came back to the subcontinent, pause the video, answer these questions, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with your answers and questions? So it's our activity, what we are going to do. Every one of you will read the text again. Teacher, now it's time for everyone to participate in reading and kindly encourage students and keep correcting them for pronunciation where needed. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Every one of you read the text? Okay, so rest of the story we'll read tomorrow, inshallah. It's time for your comprehension question. So the text we have read, these are questions from that text. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Are you done with it? Okay, it's time for your homework. Read story of a martyr. So we were reading a story. Read another story of a martyr and share it with your class. Here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we learned today? We learned to read aloud for accurate reproduction of sounds of letters and words, and we identify and utilize effective study skills, brainstorming. As I discussed with you, I have shown you different pictures of partition. So are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. We'll continue the story till that time. Keep reading, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.